Jai Swaminarayan student. Now we have already completed all the syllabus and I hope you have already studied all the videos that is uploaded in the Google Classroom. I have found that some of the video the attendance is more but views is very less, so some student doesn't see the video properly. So I am requesting all the students that those who have not studied the video of the unit number 4 remaining video, that is most families, તો તે video દરેક વિદ્યાર્થીએ જોઈ લેવા. Now today we are going to start the MCQ test. First we will study about we will see the MCQs on the unit number 1. Now let's start. All the students are requested kindly note down your answer in the notebook and then tick the answer in the Google form given in the classroom. Okay, so first we will start the question number 1. The question number 1 says that the unit of the current is dash. Current no એકમ શું છે તે તમારે જણાવવાનું છે. You have given the 4 options: A ampere, B volt, C watt, D coulomb. Unit of the current is dash. A ampere, B volt, C watt and D coulomb. Now question number 2. Unit of charge is electric charge છે એનો એકમ શું છે? Unit of charge is, and the options are A ampere, B volt, C watt and D coulomb. Question number 2, again I repeat. Unit of charge is A ampere, B volt, C watt, D coulomb. Note down your answer in the notebook. Question number 3. The relation between voltage and current as per Ohm's law is. This question says that when you are drawing the graph of voltage and current as per Ohm's law, which type of curve is generated by this Ohm's law? Ohm's law પ્રમાણે વોલ્ટેજ અને કરંટ વચ્ચેનો જો આપણે ગ્રાફ દોરીએ તો એ ગ્રાફ કેવો આવે, એનો આકાર કેવો હોય તે તમારે અહીંયા જણાવવાનું છે. એન્ડ ધ ઓપ્શન્સ આર A ramp, B non-linear, C exponential form and D linear. Question number 3, again I repeat. The relation between voltage and current as per Ohm's law is A ramp, B non-linear, C exponential and D linear. That you have to write. So write down the answer in the notebook. Now we are moving on the question number 4. The property of material to oppose the flow of electrons is called. મટીરિયલની જે પ્રોપર્ટી છે કે જે એની અંદરથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પ્રસાર થાય છે એનો વિરોધ કરે છે એને શું કહેવાય તેનો આન્સર તમારે લખવાનો છે. A કેપેસિટર, B ઇન્ડક્ટર, C resistance and D transistor. Again I repeat. The property of the material to oppose the flow of electrons is called A capacitor, B inductor, C resistance and D transistor. Now question number 5. The Ohm's law is applicable for. Ohm's law કયા ડિવાઇસ માટે એપ્લિકેબલ થઈ શકે છે? એનો આન્સર લખવાનો છે. અગેન આઈ રિપીટ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5. ધ ઓહ્મ્સ લો ઇઝ એપ્લિકેબલ ફોર A. કેપેસિટર, B. inductor, C. resistor and D. transistor. Again I repeat the question number 5. The Ohm's law is applicable for. Ohm's law કોના માટે applicable છે? So your options are A. capacitor, B. inductor, C. resistor and D. transistor. Note down in the notebook your answer. Now we are moving on the question number 6. The value of resistance is depends on. કોઈ પણ વાહક છે એની અંદર જે રેઝિસ્ટન્સ છે એની વેલ્યુ કોના પર ડિપેન્ડ કરે છે? that you have to write. Question number 6. The value of resistance is depends on A. type of material એટલે કે મટીરિયલના પ્રકાર ઉપર આધાર રાખે છે. B. length એની લંબાઈ ઉપર આધાર રાખે છે. C. cross sectional area એટલે કે એના આડછેદના ક્ષેત્રફળ પર આધાર રાખે છે. અથવા all of the above ઉપરના બધા જ ઓપ્શન ઉપર એ આધાર રાખે છે. Again I repeat question number 6. The value of resistance is depends on A. type of material, B. length, C. cross sectional area and D. all of the above. Write down the correct answer in the notebook. Then question 7. Unit of resistivity is resistivity rho. Resistivity rho. તો resistivity નો આપણે એકમ લખવાનો છે. Unit of resistivity is and the options are A. ohm, B. volt, C. ohm into meter and D. ampere. Again I repeat question number 7. Unit of resistivity is A. ohm, B. volt, C. ohm into meter and D. ampere. Note down the correct answer. Then we are moving on to question number 8. Unit of power is. Power no એકમ શું છે? Unit of power. What is the unit of the power? કાર્યશક્તિનો એકમ શું છે? And the options are ampere, B. volt, C. watt and D. ohm. Power no what is the unit of the power? That is the question number 8. And the options are first A. ampere, B. volt, C. watt and D. ohm. Note down the correct answer. Then we are moving on to question number 9. The capacity to store the charge is called. ચાર્જની સંગ્રહ કરવાની ક્ષમતાને શું કહેવાય? That you have to write. The capacity to store the charge is called A. resistance, B. capacitance, C. capacitor and D. inductor. The capacity to store the charge is called A. resistance, B. capacitance, C. capacitor and D. inductor. Carefully note down your answer in the notebook of the question number 9. Then we are moving on the question number 10. The unit of the capacitance is. What is the unit of capacitance? Capacitance no એકમ શું છે? That you have to write. And the options are A. Faraday, B. coulomb per volt, C. watt and D. A and B both. Capacitance નો એકમ શું છે? તેમાં તમને ચાર ઓપ્શન આપેલા છે. A. Faraday, B. coulomb per volt, C. watt and D. A and B કે A અને B માંથી કોઈ એક સાચો છે. Okay, carefully note down your answer. Now everyone students are requested that you have all the note down your answer in the notebook. Then after the completion of the video, tick your answer in the Google form given in the classroom, okay, and submit your answer before 12:30. Okay, best of luck and Jai Swaminarayan.